Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. So once again, I've been missing for a couple of days, but it's always a pleasure to be back, and I'm always eager to get back to be able to record new videos with new content, with new valuable information for you guys, so you guys can grow your Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so with that said, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to scale your Shopify dropshipping store from 0 to 100 to 1,000 to $10,000 in revenue using my exact model that I teach my clients and that I've been using in my very own Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so just in case you are new to my channel, my name is Kurt Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to make money with dropshipping. So if you want to learn about dropshipping and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you get subscribed to my channel, and also check out my dropshipping guide, which is linked in the video description below. Alright, so with that said, let's not waste any more time. I'm going to jump straight over to my whiteboard and show you my exact model that I use to grow and scale my Shopify dropshipping business. Alright guys, so before I actually do get started, I just want to say to you guys, if you've been testing different Facebook ads for your Shopify dropshipping store and you haven't been able to make any sales, to make any breakthrough, then I think it's time for you to start trying a different model. So that is exactly what I hope this video will do for you. And also, if you are absolutely new to Shopify dropshipping and you're planning to set up your first Facebook ad campaign, but you want to know how to scale your business once you start running Facebook ads, then you definitely want to watch this entire tutorial to the end. Alright, so let me start by drawing some objectives right here to help make this explanation a lot easier for you guys. I know a lot of you guys still have problems understanding my accent fully, so I love to use diagrams, charts, and presentation to aid with my presentations. Alright, so this right here is going to represent your website. Alright, so this is not going to be a long tutorial, it's going to be pretty short. This right here is your pixel. So this entire model will not work if you don't have your Facebook pixel installed on your e-commerce store. It's imperative. Your Facebook pixel, once again guys, I've said this a million times in my previous videos, it is the holy grail of Shopify dropshipping once you're running Facebook ads. Alright, so let me get back to this right here. So these two blocks right here represents two different ad objectives for your Shopify store. This one right here should be your first ad objective for your Shopify business, which is to run some traffic to your store. And we're going to start this off with $100. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys looking on is like, oh, I can't afford to run $100 Facebook ads. This doesn't have to be a per day. This can be over 5 days or 10 days. Alright, so you can determine that once you're setting up your campaign. This right here is going to be website conversions. And once again, we're going to start this with another $100. Alright, so as you can see, you do require this $200 ad spend, ad budget for your store. Alright, so let's say, of course, you're sending traffic to the website here. With this ad spend, it's quite likely you're going to get about 3K visitors, right? Alright, so for me, that's what it is. For you, it may be different. That's because I am doing Instagram story placement, which is quite possibly the most affordable placements right now with Facebook ads. And I'm also not only targeting the United States. If that's what you're targeting, then you may not be able to get this amount of traffic as well. And the niche you're in also plays an important factor in your ad cost. Alright, so one thing I know about sending traffic to your Shopify store is that the conversion rate is extremely low, at least for me. Alright, so I know people are getting 1%, 1.5% from sending traffic, but for me, I think it's based on the niche I'm in and the products I'm trying to sell, but my conversion rate from sending traffic is 0.25%. It's extremely low, but that's the number I'm going to be using because a lot of people who are new will not be able to get higher conversion from traffic ads than 0.25%. So 0.25% of 3,000 visitors is 8, right? So that's what I'm going to be selling, 8 conversions. And let me make another assumption right here. Well, not really an assumption. This is based on my store. $30 is the average product price from my store. All right, so I'm not factoring upsell or anything. That's the average cost of an item in my store. So at this point, with 8 conversions, as you can see, I've made $240, right? That's all I've made. And from this, I still have to deduct my ad spend, which leaves me with $140. So not a lot of money, as you can see, for the effort and the time that I'll be putting in to making my store look good, make it fully optimized, to create ads, to do all of this. It's not a lot of return for some people may say. All right, but I know a lot of people really still love to be able to put in 100 and get back 100 every single day. All right, so this is where it gets really interesting. So let me show you how you scale and how you get to $500 fast to your Shopify store. All right, so remember now, we've been sending traffic to this store. So once this traffic comes to the website that has a pixel, right, we'll now have a lot of people with that pixel data, 3,000 pixel fires, right? A lot of these people will actually take certain actions on our store, and one of those specific actions we're interested in is called ATC, or add to cart. All right, so let's say, for example, 10% of all the traffic, not including the 8 sales that we made, added the product to cart, then that would mean that 300 people would have added that product to cart. So what we can do at this point is actually create a retargeting ad campaign targeting these people who have added the items to their cart but haven't checked out. And that is where the Facebook pixel comes in, and that is why it's very, very important, because it provides us with this information, and Facebook allows us to create ads to serve only to these people. All right, so with this ad spend of 100, once again, it's likely that we'll convert at about 5% from this retargeting campaign, and 5% of 300 is 15, right? So as you can see, with 15 here, and remember the product price is 30, we're now at 450 in revenue. All right, so by reducing that by the ad spend, we're left with 350. So as you can see, by adding back this 350 here with this 150 here, we now have 490 in profit, really. All right, so that is how you start scaling your Shopify dropshipping business. From this 490, right, what you could do is add an additional $100 here to increase the traffic. So now your traffic becomes 6K or maybe even more, right? More traffic means more pixel fires, more add to carts, more action, more activity on your website. So from that, we have more data, more information to create more retargeting campaigns. And from that, we can end up making a lot more sales. And with just 2 cycles, we could easily be at $1,000 in profit. All right, so this could be over the course of a couple of months. It could be over the course of a couple of days. It all depends on how much you're willing to invest initially and how much you can afford. All right, so that is basically the essence of how you go about scaling your Facebook ads for your Shopify dropshipping store, especially if your dropshipping store is new. All right, but before I actually end this video, I do want to say to you guys who are new to dropshipping, I highly recommend you go ahead and check out my dropshipping guide right here. As you can see, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's only $10, so you can skip the coffee tomorrow and read this book, and it will definitely help you to become a better Shopify dropshipper, a better dropshipper. All right, so if you want to get a sneak preview of what's on the inside, you can just take a look right here. Lots of information. Let me just scroll back to the table of contents. As you can see, a lot of information, a lot of value is packed in this book, as it has been stripped of all non-essentials. So I highly recommend that you guys, if you're new to dropshipping, get this book before you get started if you don't want to fail. All right, so with that said, that is where I'm going to end this video. And once again, I want to say to you guys, thank you so very much for watching. And if you love this content, drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or hop over to the Facebook Mastermind group and drop them there. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I have new content coming out in the next couple of days and you don't want to miss them. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video.